You are going to love the 2021 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.